Welcome to my channel. My name is Tomas, and from today on we're gonna focus on techniques. Why techniques rather than the recipes? Because techniques is gonna help you to achieve goals, to create beautiful dishes, to play nice dishes, to presentation of your dishes or anything you make. The techniques is the one is gonna elevate your food from 0 to 10. So it's very important to use the knives properly, cutting boards, when you butcher a whole meat. And today we're gonna be focused on chest techniques. From this point on, chest techniques. But a few recipes here and there, applying the techniques that we'll be learning into the videos. So today we're gonna focus on techniques only. And from day on, techniques is the key. So paring knives, regular knives, butcher knives, 8 inches knife, 10 inches knife. Why is so important? So yes, let's go. I'm really happy and excited to announce this because this is a very unique way to approach food. It's just when we eating, we're just not eating our food, we're nourishing our bodies. So it's very important to get as fresh as possible. So again, we're gonna talk about any techniques, we're gonna talk about the food, where it's coming from, knives, pans, pots, seasoning, oils, why the oils matters, especially pans and pots. I see so many pans non-stick. Ooh, it drives me nuts because I don't like to see those. The way I see in the kitchen is the lazy pans, because you don't want to wash it, you don't want to rinse it. You need to rinse, you need to clean your station, you need to clean your knives, you need to clean all that. So to me it's very important, not just focus on techniques, but also the products that we're using to cook our meals. Welcome to my channel, Chef in Los Angeles. And I'm glad that you're here, and I'm glad that you're gonna learn, and you're gonna step up, and you're gonna create beautiful dishes. Either you're a beginner or you just wanna create meals for your family. And our focus here is not just to make a beautiful dish, but also to make a standout dish where you create, where you're gonna put it out there using the tools. So it's very important for us. So stay tuned.